Take me somewhere wonderful. So tired of being misunderstood. I keep on doing all the good, 'cause life always works out as it should. Yeah.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Somerset Falls. I'm here with my family and we're gonna be enjoying the day. So we just got here. You guys know Somerset Falls is in Portland. Emma's a bit bummy because she has motion sickness. And I guess we're gonna paint.
Oh baby, now stop at me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh baby, when you're kissing me. Oh baby, when you're loving me.
Oh my god, and a friend is fucking friend.
Sorry, blood clot.
Oh baby, now stop at me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh baby, when you're kissing me. Oh baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I wanna do to you tonight. Oh baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave.
Who I found. Okay guys, so we're just waiting on our food at the restaurant. I'm always hungry. Say here, carry on. Yeah.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. 'Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No, go down. God, watch over me, oh Lord.
Alright guys, so we had to eat because we were starving.
Girl,
Yeah.
I was about to die.
So I'm short a bit now, but we're walking up the steps. You guys know these steps are horrible.
Oh,
So we're walking.
big,
And we're almost
big,
there.
big fish, June.
Oh, this is nice. Nice. We'll have to go on the boat to cross apparently.
Game, please just stay blurred instead of spinning. If you can see the thought that's in my head, like please, yeah, it's true. But I changed the game for you. I wanna see what it do. Can I be for real?
Come on, let's get in the water. Come on, get in the water, get in the water.
I can't swim. I can't swim.
Damn, girl. It's not sliding.
Hello, Miss Photographer. Come on.
I'm coming.
Take one of the boat now. Yeah. Eh? Sarah. Where, Ajay? Alright, take her.
Don't put the finger on the side. Move over to this side. This side.
I'm on your rock.
Come over now, baby.
Your rock.
Hey. Oh nana.
Oh no, please stop rocking the boat.
Rock the boat again. No. Hey.
If you drop anybody phone, you're responsible here.
Listen, don't put that outside and hold on the phone.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys them know me.
That is it. Yeah, float now.
Music chose me, just know this and know this. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Right.
I'll meet you there. I'm taking a shortcut.
Alright guys, we just finished. We just finished swimming.
At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
If you never me mine, nigga, my baby me one of a kind, nigga. I will see you tonight, nigga.
Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels.
Go. that is the end of the vlog. We're leaving now. I'll see you guys in the next video.